Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to buy Solana on Trust Wallet step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Trust Wallet app on your phone. Log in using your passcode, Face ID, or fingerprint. Once you're on the home screen, tap the search icon in the top right corner. This will open the token search page. In the search bar, type Sol. From the results, select Solana on the Solana network. You should now be on the Solana token page. To buy Solana, tap the Buy button. Next, enter the amount of SOL you want to purchase. You'll then see several payment options, such as credit or debit card, Google Pay, Apple Pay, PayPal. Choose the payment method that works best for you, then tap Continue. You'll be redirected to a cryptocurrency provider where you'll review the price, fees, and payment details. Confirm the transaction to complete your purchase. Once the payment is successful, your Solana will be added to your Trust Wallet balance and ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully bought Solana on Trust Wallet. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.